even better with the with the navigation system. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
Now you see it said go on the screen. If you click that, you would go, but you don't even need to click the screen. If you just carry on driving, it will take you there automatically because you've not countermanded the instructions. So that's the navigation system. It is brilliant. What else is there?